Geocaches come in all different sizes. Some can be a micro, which when we found that the only way to log that you were there is to actually log it within the Geocache app. We visited one location 3 times in search of one that we ended up finding was a magnetic bolt stuck to the bottom of a table. What's in front of us now is a small cache. It's small enough that you can take, like the size of an old film canister, you can open it and roll up a log to stick on the inside, and sometimes put in really tiny, tiny treats like a keychain or a coin or something along those lines. Most times this size cache does not have the ability to fit a whole lot. This is a large cache. Large caches normally are ammo boxes or other fabricated containers. They fit large, large things and sometimes will even have great prizes within them. Large caches, a lot of times, are army boxes or some kind of ammo box because they withstand the elements very well and are easily replaceable. For a medium sized cache, please check out my page about the contents of a inside of a geocache box.